I've been playing with ChatGPT for a while now, and trust me, this platform can do some amazing things. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to translate anything into any language. Let's put it like that. Now, let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how this is done. Now, I've prepared a little text here for ChatGPT to translate into a couple of languages, and it's all about what ChatGPT is. Now, let's say you have your text. All you have to do is just put in front of ChatGPT or at the end. Just write translate to this language with a space or a dash and let it do its job. Let's go ahead and test it. Translate to Spanish. Space dash and let ChatGPT do the translation. Look at that, guys. It's translating this in Spanish for us. Let's go ahead and test it again. Translate this to French and put the text. Now it's translated in French. Now guys, I'm from Jamaica and I'm gonna see if ChatGPT could really translate this into Patois. I'm not so sure, but let's see. Translate this to Patois dash. Now let's see what this can do. I'm waiting for it. It's a bit. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Guys, this is amazing. It was just a test for ChatGPT to see if it could really translate anything into anything. And I'm shocked. I'm shocked that it actually did a good job to translate this into Patois, into Jamaican native language. Guys, if you find some value in this video and if you enjoy this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. That is crazy.